Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety your default. Power down the washer and relieve residual pressure using the trigger. This prevents accidents. Next, visually inspect the lance and hose ends, look for nicked threads or hardened O-rings. Once done, lay out your quick connect coupler, plug, Teflon tape, and a small wrench. You choose compatible brass or stainless fittings to avoid galvanic corrosion. Quality matters because a mismatched connector leaks and reduces pressure. Now, clean mating surfaces, so you wrap the male threads clockwise with 3 to 4 tight turns of Teflon tape, so it won't unwind when threading. Next, hand start the quick connect coupler onto the wand or pump outlet to align threads. Cross-threading is the common failure, so take care. Once hand tight, use a wrench to give an extra quarter to half turn, enough to compress the tape, not strip the threads. Make sure the O-ring sits evenly and, if needed, apply a thin film of silicone lubricant so it seals. You connect the hose plug into the coupler, pushing until you hear or feel a positive click, then give it a firm pull to confirm engagement. Once sealed, restore water flow and power, run the washer for 30 to 60 seconds while watching each joint for drips. This tests under real pressure. If a leak appears, immediately stop and depressurize. Leaks usually mean an O-ring pinched or tape needs more coverage. Reseat the O-ring, add fresh tape, and red-itin, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.